morning, Sheshan.
Now today we all are here to present our temple, Ragala Shri Kadambela Swami temple. Okay, first we'll speak about Ragala. Ragala is located 20 kilometers away from New Delhi and its climate is very good. Okay, that means in the morning it'll be like a bit gloomy and now it's sunny and later it'll be very cold. Okay, and this climate and the location is very good. As you see, the main street and we have the temple in the center here. Okay, so on the 7th of February we had the 4th Kumbhabhishekam of this temple, and I think it was the first crowd at Ragala gathered like a big.
Don't you think it was like trillions of people?
Yeah, I think it would pass millions.
We can keep and one step inside.
Yeah, of course. And then today we have the temple, and today we'll speak about the temple, outer view, inner view, the 60 feet statue, the Raja Kobram, and etc.
And Manikobram.
The Manikobram, yeah. Thanks. Okay, now Lukshan will introduce us on the dress code, how to come into a temple. Okay, Lukshan, you may present it.
Friends, we should not put trousers and denims to this temple. We should wear vesti and a shirt. While we are entering inside the temple, we should remove our shirts and keep it over inside. Now, Sheshan will explain it.
Okay, as we see, Lukshan tell about the men's wear, and now Mirusha will speak about the women's wear.
Okay, the women should be tied with the saris because they should be clean and tidy because they are only going to clean the temple, right?
Yeah, of
so
course.
the girl should wear a proper and industry clothes. So Sheshan, can you explain about this temple?
Okay, first I would like to thank the temple who made this.
Proudly Sir Ashok Kumar.
Yeah,
And Ramesh Kumar.
yeah.
Mr. Samay Ramesh Kumar.
So as we see, because of them, we have achieved a big goal and a big thing which we cannot achieve, which is a big thing and a big victory to us. Yeah,
This is a marvelous creation.
This is a marvelous creation. Okay, now first Raja Kobram. I'll speak about the Raja Kobram. Raja Kobram is made out of many sculptures, many designs, many architecture, many paints, and many other patterns. As we see, I think it's like more than. It has past 60 feet, the Raja Kobram. So it has 5 colors on top, 5, and then we have many decorative things and some veils and sculptures and
Sheshan, I
etc.
have it out. What do you mean by colors?
Kalasam is a pointed thing which should be fixed during the Kumbhabhishekam, which is known as the main point of the Raja Kobram.
And we can see many sculptures of God and many architectures and many designs, features and many colorful paints. Don't you feel it?
So it's all to our proud self. So as we see, painting is also a good thing which we can see. So first I would like to thank the sculptors who made the sculptures and the statues, and then we go to the painting section. Painting is something which we should
Have it
in the Kovil, which can attract us in the entrance and etc. As we see, the steps is painted
it's really
with
colourful.
many colorful paints and etc. So when we enter, it's something like which helps us to like something which attracts us like a magnet. Which
Okay, don't you feel that paint is giving us a colorful look to the Kovil and it's relaxing our mind?
of course,
Those, yeah, and the design
as we
patterns.
see, there are many green colors, so which can make our eyes cool and calm and fresh and relieve us from stress. Okay, then we go to our decoration, lights and etc. Actually, when you see in the dark, it's very gloomy, very dark. So without a light decoration, we cannot
see the
make this thing success, and it will be dark and gloomy. So we have to give a good thanks to the electricity board and the people who helped are making our circuit. And then let's go to the sound system.
Okay, sound system is giving something relaxed to our mind and it's really fantastic. Don't you feel it?
Really, we should thank the Saravana Baba music sound systems.
Yeah.
So as we see, because of them, we are doing pujas, dance programs. We can have their music and etc. Many things, and even many announcements on the daily Mandala Abhishekam pujas and etc. So then we'll go on to the playing of drums and music section.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Actually, music is made up of vibration. The 2 and 4 movements, or the backwards and the forward movements of a matter, is called the vibration. You know it, right?
Yeah, of
So
course.
it is only made by our drummers and the Nadaswara blowers.
And Sheshan, you forget one thing. It was priest who helped us.
Yes, the priests always help us, because without them we cannot do anything. As we see, because of them they have traveled from Vaunia and other places to here.
Batiklo, Ampara, everywhere.
Yes, because of them only we have come to a good success, and because of them only
Yeah, of
daily
course.
pujas are being done, and we should have to thank them. And actually they
Yeah.
have got adapted to this
And
climate.
can you remember they are only 100% to this temple.
Yes, actually, they are Vaunia. It's very hot, and they have adapted to this temple and this climate. It's a very good thing.
Yeah, of course.
Actually, and
And
then
the decorations of the flowers of the garden.
yeah,
Masala Mandal.
actually, Masanda Mandapam is daily decorated with many things, and when we see it, sometimes it's made of garlands, sometimes it's made of clothes, sometimes made of design patterns, and sometimes with money, fruits, vegetables,
Yeah, of
etc. Actually, God's decoration is a main thing.
Session, shall we go inside?
Yeah, actually, I think somehow I should explain about this.
Okay, what do you think about that hand gem? It was given by Haresh, I think.
Yeah, I
of
think
course.
everyone donated money, and we all.
And the world number one's colorful Murugan statue.
Yeah.
And Asia's third
third
Murugan statue.
Murugan statue, and still now it's in the second place. After the Salem statues, it comes to the third place. Okay, and this is the very colorful Murugan in the bird.
Yeah, of
The
course.
veil was brought from Mamallapuram,
And
right?
yeah, from India.
Yeah,
It's made out
actually
of
it's
copper,
made
I
of
think so.
copper. I think it weighs more than 5 kilos and
Yeah,
etc.
of course.
Okay, then I think.
And we forget something. Let's thank the people who came for the Kumbhabhishekam from
Yes,
far.
because of them, far they came. I think from Nurelia, Kandy, and some they came for the NA function and etc.
But we need the people who did not come for the 48 days puja. I could remember about that viruses. Leave that virus. It's just a virus, COVID-19 virus.
Actually,
And explain about it.
actually, God is there. So be strong, be brave.
Yeah,
Nothing won't be. Don't get stressed. Be relaxed. Don't think about it. And okay, now Lukshan, I think we have to speak about the food makers.
Yes, it is so tasty from him.
Actually, daily people come more than 1,000 to worship God and to fill their stomach.
They are not
They
even
make-
failing to cook.
Yeah,
They are-
daily actually they cook a very clean, pure food which fulfills our
Stomach.
Yeah, actually in the night.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, actually it's a dinner for us.
Yeah, of course.
And even evening they give us tea and other short
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Actually, then the Murugan statue, actually, it's like something, the eyes are like looking always the people.
Don't
Actually,
you feel scared when you sing it very deeply?
yeah,
I
actually,
feel-
Lord Muruga's eyes are like a
Yeah.
camera, he's always looking
Yes.
us. So, then we go, all his other ornaments are very nice.
Yeah, of
Okay, then I think
And
it's enough.
Sheshan, I have a question. Who constructed this statue? Proudly Sir Ashok Kumar.
Yeah, that's true. And as we see, now let's move into the temple, and we all will be discussing. Let's go in.
Yeah,
Don't forget. Okay, this is ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ವಾಸನೆ ತುಂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲು ಯಾರು ಹಿಡಿದು ವರಾದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲು ಹಿಡಿದು
Okay. don't forget, don't temper this one because it have been done puja, so don't forget to temper. So don't temper, I'm asking by faith, by my heart.
Okay, thank you. கோவில் எப்படி சாமி கும்பிடணும் போகிற முறைகள் அனைத்தையும் நாங்கள் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி காட்டுவோம். முதல்ல நம்ம பிள்ளையார் அவரை வணங்கிட்டு உள்ளே
Okay, now I'll give the introduction in English. So first today I'm going to show the facilities how to worship the God inside. So first let's go and worship the Pillayar and let's go move inside.
ඉතින් අපි පළවෙනියටම තම්බ පිළියර් දෙවියන්ට වැඳලා තමයි අපි ඇතුළට යන්න ඕනේ. යන්න.
Now we have worshipped the Pillayar and now we are going to go for the Palipeedam and let's move for the Mayura. Mayura means the mic.
දැන් අපි තම්බ පිළියර් වැඳලා ඉවරයි. දැන් අපි යන්නේ මයුර ඊට පස්සේ පලිපීඩම් වඳින්න. දැන් අපි යනවා. Okay, now we all have worshipped the Tamba Pillayar, Mayuram, Palipeedam, etc. So now we will be going and moving to Lord Pillayar.
இப்போது நாங்கள் கமப்பிள்ளையார் மயூரம் பலிப்பீடத்தை கும்பிட்டு விட்டோம். இப்போது நாங்கள் விநாயகரை போய்த்து வணங்குவோம்.
Then හරි දැන් අපි සූදානම් අපි පිල්ලය ගණදේයෝ ඔබ වැඳලා ඉවරයි. දැන් අපේ රුෂාමි මුරුෂායි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තව මේක ගැන කියන්න.
Okay, now we have worshipped the God Pillayar and now let's start with something. Let's put Topu Karnam and let's have Topu and let's go around the Pillayar and let's go.
Yes. நாங்கள் பிள்ளையார் இடத்துக்கு வந்திருக்கோம். இப்போ நான் இந்த பிள்ளையாரை எப்படி வர்ஷிப் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்கிறேன். முதல்ல தோப்பு கட்டணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் கொட்டு கழுவி கொட்டிக்கிட்டு சுற்றி பிள்ளையாரை சுற்றி வருவோம்.
දැන් අපි කියලා දෙනවා කොහොමද ගණදේයෝ වඳින්න කියලා. දැන් පළවෙනියටම අපි තෝපු කරනම් දාලා ඊට පස්සේ ඔළුවෙන් කොට ගහගෙන තමයි වඳින්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ පිළියරව රවුම් එකක් එනවා. හරි දැන් අපි දැන් ඉවර කළා. දැන් අපි අට්ටාංග නමස්කාර ladies පංචාංග නමස්කාර කරමු.
එන්නකෝ. මේ නඩුව ගන්න.
දැන් අපි සන්දේශ්වරම් දෙයියෝ ඉඳලා දැන් අපි ගියා අයියප්ප ස්වාමි දෙයියෝ ඊට පස්සේ අමන් දෙයියෝ ඊට පස්සේ දැන් අපි ගියේ විෂ්ණු දෙයියෝ මහා ලක්ෂ්මී දෙයියෝ දැන් අපි ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ නවග්‍රහකල් දෙයියෝ ඒගොල්ලෝ ගාව දැන් අපි පටන් ගන්නේ සූර්ය දෙයියෝ ඉඳලා පටන් අරගෙන රවම 3ක් 1යි 3යි නැත්නම් 5යි 7යි නැත්නම් 9යි
Okay, now we have worship and come Pile, Amman, Ayyappa, Vishnu and Mahalakshmi and we are in Anala. We should worship it by right hand and we should come up like clockwise.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
by
it's
Surya.
true.
Yeah, yes.
இப்போ நாங்கள் அப்படி ஐயப்பனை கும்பிட்டோம், அம்மனை கும்பிட்டோம், விஷ்ணுவை கும்பிட்டோம், மகாலட்சுமியை கும்பிட்டோம். இப்போ நாங்கள் சூரிய கிரகத்தை கும்பிட்டோம். வலது கை பக்கத்துலேருந்து சுற்றி வரணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் இது மனசில் என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அதை சொல்லி
හරි දැන් හරි දැන් අපි රම්මක් ගියා දැන් අපි යන් සූර්ය දෙවියෝ
Now we have come around the Navakhanda again. Of course, I forget to say something. We should worship this type of gods in odd numbers.
Yeah, actually, now let's go near Lord Surya.
இப்போ நாங்கள் வந்து நவக்கிரகம் முடிச்சிட்டோம். இப்போ நாங்கள் சூரிய கிரகத்தில் போகிறோம்.
Bhairava, then let's go to Sandeshwara. We are going to worship Lord Bhairava. Okay, and the side of the Bhairava, the power is more in the
Yeah, of course.
place where Bhairava is there.
Yeah.
So now let's worship Bhairava and
And Lukshan, explain in Tamil.
இப்போ நாங்கள் வைரவர்கிட்ட இருக்கோம். இப்போ வைரவர் கும்பிடுவோம்.
now we have finished.
Bhairava's
Yeah,
puja and
now we'll go to the
Sandeshwara.
Sandeshwara.
Last
And
one.
while going to Sandeshwara, there's a gap to go. I can show you there, and I'll explain more how to worship Sandeshwara. I will also. Okay, guys, this is the way which we should go. Only we should go here because Lord Sandeshwara is in the meditation. So we should clap our hands right and worship that you have to make all the dreams success which we worship for you. And while returning, we have to go here and come here. Now go here. Okay, now we will go and worship and Sandeshwara.
இப்போ நாங்கள் சண்டேஸ்வரத்தில் இருக்கோம். சண்டேஸ்வரத்தில் அந்த பக்கமால போகக்கூடாது. இந்த பக்கம் மட்டும்தான் போகணும். இந்த பக்கம் போனால் இது பூஜை இருக்காரு டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணுற மாதிரி.
ක්‍රිස්.
We see Virusha, we have come to an end. And today, now we have end up all the sessions in the temple and we have gone all to the places in the temple. And now, from this place, we are seated here. It's a very cool place. And from here, we can view out the Rajakopuram and the Lord Muruga statue. So, So you can see the statue from here. So later now he'll be showing us. He'll be showing you the statue and the Raja.
Okay, and we are in the good place that gives us a freshness.
And a good smell. And
Yeah, of course.
they are preparing our meals there, and they are cutting vegetables. And even though I forgot a point, on the Kubalishingam day we had a big Annadanam.
Yeah, because it was yummy.
Actually, more than 20,000 people ate in the same taste.
Yeah.
Actually, anyone didn't tell, I didn't have a meal, I didn't have, everyone got a
meal and it was really
Yeah.
yummy and it was like
Taste.
forgettable day. And of course, the summary of this point is if you wanted to follow us, you can see in the YouTube channel.
Yeah, wait for mine. So before that, I would like to show you. This is the tape which is gonna go inside the temple, which is used for the prayer festival. Yeah, actually, can you explain it in Tamil, please, Ruksha?
ஆமா தேர் வந்து உள்ளுக்கு எடுத்து சாமி வச்சு உள்வீதி கொண்டு வருவாங்க அது சேஷனுக்கு
And actually, when you see in the Moolasthanam, we have the Lord Murugan statue with Balidevane. It was being made with only one big rock. Okay, as we see. And then all the other statues are made of rocks except the Vasanta Mandapa lords. It is made up of iron metals, as you see, right?
Yes.
Okay, and when we move on, as we see, still the work is going on, and we forgot to explain about the Mani Cobra.
Yes!
Mani Cobra is gonna be a big thing which is gonna wake up us in the morning, which is gonna build with
Tell us, come to the temple.
yeah, and the money sound, the bell of the ring is gonna be a big sound in the town, as we see. And now the money cobra, the bell will be brought, I think, made out of iron or some metals. Okay,
it will be made out of copper.
Yeah, copper or the metal mixed with.
Don't you feel you're proud to be in this temple?
Yeah, we are proud and we should be glad, and
Yeah.
it's the temple's
Fabulous.
surrounding is very fabulous. And in Nuralia, the only one Vishnu is in this temple in the Nuralia.
And Moolasthana Murugan statue is only made out of one rock.
Yeah, I mentioned it before. Okay, then, and thank you guys. I am Seishan here, and this is Mirusha, and this is Lukshan. Okay, and we are proud to say that we have a big temple
Yeah, of
here.
course.
We have achieved a goal, and thanks to the priests
Priestess.
who have helped us. They have come from Vauni and other places,
That
adapted
glow
to this
Ankara.
climate. It's a very great thing which they have done for us. And now, okay, thank you for Ragala team, which is helping us in the video. So now, please follow us on Ragala in Facebook
and,
and as you see in YouTube, Sri Kadrivela Swami Devasthanam. Please like us in Facebook, in YouTube, and give comments
And share.
and share. Please subscribe the channel in YouTube. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll meet very soon. Bye.
Bye.
அந்த ரிட்டர்னுக்கு காசு கொடுக்கலையோ கோயில்ல விளங்கல